Today I'm going to show you a setting for the DJI Mini 4 Pro that can literally save your drone from crashing, and that is also applying to, for example, the DJI Mini 3 Pro and other DJI drones. And the setting I'm referring to, that is a setting that decides basically how quickly the drone will stop after you tell it to stop. And I find it very important to have this setting correct, specifically in sport mode, because in sport mode you don't have obstacle avoidance and the drone won't steer away from obstacles that maybe end up in front of the drone when you're flying. And also the sport mode makes the drone fly fairly fast. And that is also a reason for why I find it's very important to get this setting right. But before we dig into setting, I would like to show you the difference. And that's why I'm here at this football field, and I'm gonna have the drone to fly forward in top speed, and then when we hit this line, we're gonna fly from that side to this side. So when we hit this line, I'm gonna just release the sticks and see how fast the drone is stopping. Then we're gonna change this setting and you're gonna see what difference it makes. And if it makes any difference, well, then it can be worth to change, because when you're flying in sport mode, you want the drone to stop when you tell it to stop. So let's do the first test. And this is gonna be in the default settings of the drone, so we haven't changed anything from the default settings when you get the drone, or if you have reset all the settings. And first we're going to make sure that we are in normal mode. After that we're going to take the drone up into the air. And now after the drone is flying, we're going to put this one into sport mode. And then we're going to go to the left here. And then we're going to start at the same spot, so we're going to be above this goal. So now we are in the starting spot, so now let's fly as fast as we can up to this line. I'm gonna move myself up to the line so I can see exactly when we're there, and then we're gonna stop and see how far we get. Full speed, drop. So as we can see, it flew fairly long. This is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 meters. Now let's go back. Let's see, so we are at the same spot, so we get the same speed. We are just above the goal again. Now let's go into the settings. And now I'm going to change the settings so you can see the difference. This setting is applied, and now we're going to do the same. And full speed forward. Stop. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can imagine how big of a difference this can make if it's really that you are discovering this obstacle and you need to brake for the drone not to slam into it. It makes a big difference. And the setting is, you go to control, you go to gain and expo tuning, and here we are in sport. We can have different settings here for all the modes: cinematic, normal and sport, and you can change this for all of them if you want to, but it's particularly important for the sport mode because that's when I don't have the obstacle avoidance. And scroll down to the brake sensitivity, and this is the one that by default is at 100, and I changed that one to 150. If we move this one down to 10, let me show you what difference that makes. And then make sure that we are at the same position again. Yep, there. Perfect. So now let's do the same test again. Full speed, 3, 2, 1, go. Brake in 3, 2, 1, brake. So you can see the difference here. It has still not stopped. There it stops. So this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 meters to get the drone stopped when we change this setting to the lowest. So now you might wonder, what will happen if I, instead of just releasing the control, instead I pull it backwards to make the drone actually want to fly backwards? Will that make a difference to the stop distance? So let's try that also. So now we are in normal mode. That is where we have, was it 15 meters? So let's try this. And before we do this, let's just check so we have the right setting. Yeah, brake sensitivity. Let's put that to 100. Let's do this again. 3, 2, 1, go. And we're gonna brake there. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's about 9 meters. So you can make the drone stop quicker by moving the stick in the opposite direction of travel. But this setting is super important if you want the drone to stop as quick as possible when you just release the joystick. Next thing we can do that is see each other in that video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommend you to watch next after this one. And the bottom one, well, that is my beginner's guide for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. See you in one of those. Have a good one. Bye.